What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? All right. All right. So let's take a look at the 5 minute. I was looking to get in a GRX on the bounce, but AGRX is actually interesting. It's not a short for me. This is a pretty big move. It was trading under the cash per share value, so that's why we have a nice pop. It probably shouldn't trade under 65 cents. IGC is getting destroyed. Good. Should be at $1 a share. It's awful. Um, CRON might snag some. There's not really much that I like out there today. Um, CGC at 52. It's really not much going on. I'm not sure what everyone else is watching. NBev, hopefully we could get it to pop. If we could get it to pop, I'm gonna start shorting some. I think there's a good chance we could see it pop a bit, but I don't know if we can get it to go green. If it does get above that 750 area, it looks like it has some room to go, maybe even to 825. It'll be tough though. All right, what else do we got here? That would need a lot of volume. Trash. CRON might be able to steal some at 9. 983. Yeah, MNGA is absolute trash. I will be shorting this if it goes to 50 cents. Let's take a look. Looks like YGY is moving a bit. Could prove to be a nice trade. It is on SSR, so I will be cautious. But I kind of like it in that $8 range. YGYI. Low float. Looks like this thing could squeeze a bit, to be honest. Not going to enter a position yet. Hmm. They just had an offering. No cash. This company's trash. Alright, so let's watch. I think this thing could get some volume. What's up, Juice? Yeah, you can test it. How would you test the delay? Go ahead, type it. Let us know how long it is. 2. What are the results? I said 2 like 1 second late. I said it a little bit late too. All right, the market just opened up. CRON down, ACBFF down. I might take a short on this right here at 10:35. I wanted at 10:40. Oh, NBEV taking a bath. Where's IGC? Nice, down 23%. Beautiful. Come on. My computer's being slow. I tried to restart it, but alright, I'm gonna try some ACBFF here at 10:35. Oh shit, it's already trading lower than that. I don't know if I'll get filled on that. Alright, so really all I have going on right now is I'm short a couple calls on CGC overnight. Yep, AGRX. That's what I wanted to buy that dip. Wow. Okay. Uh I just got filled on this. I knew this was gonna spike. So being very cautious here on YGYI because this thing could definitely pop. Low float, massive spreads, being careful. You probably got chat rooms buying this thing all over the place. So, AGRX, I don't know if any of you guys were in there. All right, watching YGYI closely. I didn't, I haven't gotten filled on anything else. I'm actually going to change this to the 1 minute candles. See if I can make these thicker. Just kind of want to see if volume dies here. Volume spike will get ugly. Let's pull up the, yeah, it's this guy. Wow, big miss on not only AGRX, but also ACBFF. All right, so now I'm also in MNGA, so I gotta watch that. Uh, I'm not really a big fan of YGY, to be honest. It's too thin. Uh, I want to give it a couple seconds, but I'm not trying to get squeezed on that at all. So if this doesn't get slammed down pretty soon, I'm out of there. There it goes. All right. Uh, Let's get under 8. Let's get under 8. Washout to 8 on YGY. I. MGNA or MNGA down to 44 or in the 44s. Yeah, I don't. This is the ugly, ugly stock. Not much volume, huge spreads. I know it's semi-low float. I'm gonna take some off here. This looks like it could trap. It also looks like it could collapse all the way back down. It's up $2 a share. Nice. CGC getting hit. NBev really getting hit. IGC getting hit. All right. So YGYI looks like it's about to collapse. I still haven't taken any off. I'm just gonna wait for a couple more seconds. Just want to see if this thing trades above 8. It already broke the support. Let's take a look at the 5-minute candle real quick. This has support at 750, so let's wait till 750. I'm gonna throw up. This has it at 755 is when I'm gonna cover. Uh, MNGA in the 44s. Oh my gosh, they gave me an absolutely awful fill on MNGA. That's disgusting. And I had a limit order. Alright, so YGY, right? Is this gonna trap or what? I'm gonna take some off at 8. Just have to. Because when you play a stock so illiquid, you get burned bad. So at least if I get half off right here, this is gonna fade. Um, if this doesn't get a bunch of volume, it's gonna fade. I'm not worried about that. I just don't want to, you know, It's too risky at this point. I'm already up 50 cents a share. You might as well take some off. Oh, so I take my eyes off for 1 second YGY, and now it pops up. And now this is bad, right? I don't want to be in this. I don't like this at all. It probably gets thrown back down, but I can see how thin it is. See, look at this. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. YGY. I you had a this stock is so thin. Um, you just had a order to buy at 8.34, and then the next one was $8. That's a huge. Look at $8, 7.85. This thing is asking to get squeezed. I know I'm not the only person shorting up here. A little bit of volume, this thing will take off. Alright, I just took some off YGY. I want out of that. I'm about to take off the rest here. Alright, all out YGY. Now let's take a look at at 40 cents. I'm going to cover MNGA. to be a little bit quicker here. All right, so I'm about to get filled on MNGA. Or I'm not. Whenever you're ready, fill me, please. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank God, guys. I mean, I said it. I did not want to be in this stock. This thing is going to fly. If this thing gets a little bit of volume, it could go. I would be very scared if I was short, which is why I wanted to cover so bad. And look, I'm lucky. I'm lucky I got filled on these. And I mean, I had a small position, but goodness, this thing could take off and I'll be down a couple $100 in seconds. So this is a trap. I'm not, I wouldn't trust it at all. I don't like that. To be short, I wouldn't want to be short at all. I would want to be long. All right, what's going on with MNGA? I'm still not filled. Yeah, I'm still short MNGA. Think it goes down. What's up, KV? AGRX is bouncing. What's up, Blazing Hearts? Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, and you like this, you can like the video and subscribe. Uh, and you guys can also watch me on Twitch. I pay attention to the Twitch stream a little bit more, but obviously I'm on YouTube. Thank you. Thanks for the subscribe. Also, for those that are new on Twitch, if you don't follow my YouTube channel, definitely check it out. I've been posting some videos on there. Sweet, yeah, you got it. I'll be posting more videos and more stuff, so continue to follow me and check out my other videos. Alright, so I didn't get filled on ACBFF. I didn't get filled on CRON. I did not get filled on NBEV. So there was a lot I didn't get filled on. I'll post my Twitch account to the YouTube channel. Hold on. Watching NBEV. If it pops, it didn't drop quick enough for me to dip by it, but alright, here comes. Let's see what happens with MNGA. I thought for sure I would get filled on that. Did not. I thought Tesla would for sure drop. It is not. If NBEV washes out, I may try a dip buy at 634. This is a level of support. That's 650 area. Let's see CGC go lower. I want CGC lower because I am short calls. So those are going to be paying me nice if this gets under 49. If this washes out to 48, I will buy some. Oh, there's that 634 area on NBEV. Should we try it? Let's see, what's the next line? 519. I think it might be worth a little try on this. Nothing crazy. All right, nice, nice, nice. All right, I'm closing that VT order. All right, so MNGA. Let's look at YGY washout. Where did I have my other buy? I think I had it at 775, so I wouldn't have gotten fill. Oh no, I had it at 755. Um, on MNGA, I'm getting out at 41 cents. Oh, CGC is under 49. All right, so tough call here because I could hold these for sure and make a lot more money. Well, I'm not gonna sell all of my CGC short calls. I'm gonna wait a minute. What's testing? Uh, K0 Sal? All right, let's take a look at what positions I have open. All right, so already out YGY. Thank you guys for liking my give me a thumbs up on YouTube. I appreciate that. And I think I got a couple subscribers too, so thank you. All right, here comes NBEV. All right. I am in NBev. It looks extremely heavy. Let's see if we could get that bounce. I need this above 6, guys. Need this above 6. Need this above 6. Need this above 6. Come on. Come on, above 6. Heavy. So heavy. Go above 6. Get above 6. Get above 6. Come on. Trying all my life to be patient with this to get above 6. This is testing me already. Get above 6, 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 get above 6. Smack through it, thank you. Bam. Nope, stay above 6, please. If you don't stay above 6, there's no point of you doing that. Alright, took some off. I don't know if I could trust this, so no shame in taking a little off. Uh-oh. A lot of volume on NBev. Um, yes, same one on Twitch. Also, all right. So if you guys are just tuning into the stream, I bought the dip on NBev and we pretty much bottom ticked it. These are my arrows, or this is my buy. I sold a third of my position right there at 601, and I'm kind of giving this a lot of patience. Normally, okay, the only reason I started practicing going long is because for you guys that aren't able to short, that aren't able to take advantage of the downside of these moves, I figured I'd practice going long on some of the strategies that I used to really use a lot, um, to grow my account. So this washout long, first dip buy, there's a couple names like dead cat bounce, first bounce, I don't know. This is a like a play that works a decent, I mean, pretty good amount of time. So, but the thing is you can't be early, and that's why I said on this in the group chat where I'm putting like all my positions and stuff. I'm saying 634. I was like, I don't like it. It's too heavy. I got rid of my orders, and then I said 612. And then at 612, I said, no, I don't like it, too heavy, so I didn't get in. And then at 590, I really liked it, and I like it even more at 577. So if it would have dropped that lower, my position would have been bigger. This, right, if my position at 577 probably would have been like not twice as big, but maybe like 60% bigger, okay? And now I'm nailing the bounce. I'm nailing this. I literally bottom ticked it. I was down for like 3 seconds. This entire move I've been green. Okay, I was a little bit stressful here at 6. Now I'm up 20 cents a share, less stressful. Um, but yeah, I'm hoping this bounces to 630. I will sell my second third, right? I'm going to sell in thirds on this trade. The higher it goes, and I'm going to sell my second third here at 628 if it reaches that. If it doesn't reach that, I'm going to try to get out before I think it collapses. Because I don't know. I don't know how far this is going to go down. Now, I'm not buying at 577 anymore. Once you get the first bounce, the play's over. So if you don't catch that first bounce, you don't go long, okay? Because the next bounce isn't going to be as big and the chances of success are a lot lower. Okay? So that's why I'm so like even if I got, let's just say I got in right here at 612, a couple shares, because my position would have been small because I didn't like the odds as much as this 590. This 590 I really liked. Not really liked, but I liked it good enough to put a decent sized position on the trade. Okay? This would have been a lot smaller at 612. Now, at 612, I could have added, and I could add even more at 577, and that's fine. Hold on, let me sell some of these shares. Okay. 628 is what I'm gonna try to get rid of these at. All right, and just guys, like, okay, I don't want you guys to sit and see and think that this is like so easy to do because it's really not. But I've been doing this for a while, so that's why I could kind of hit these. Uh, and I'm telling you, start small. Like if you, let's just say if you're using Robinhood, this should be, you have nothing to worry about. So let's say you have $1,000. You should be using a tenth. You should just buy $100 worth at 690. I don't know, like you're not going to make that much money in the beginning, but that experience, that feeling that you're going to get of making money will be able you'll be able to use that a little bit later. And then you do it a couple times using $100, and then okay, let's say you make $100. Then you move up a little bit and now you try it with $200 a couple times. You do it with $200, you nail it a couple times, you gain more confidence, you understand how the play works. Now you use $300 or maybe $400 and you slowly, slowly, slowly build that experience. So like $100 or yeah, so $100 at 590, I mean, you're not going to have that many shares. You have 17 shares. 17 shares times 30 cents, you made $5. Doesn't sound like a lot. Now, if you have a $10,000 account, maybe you use $1,000. You use $1,000 at 590, you have 170 shares. 170 shares times 30 cents, you made $50. 50 bucks? 50 bucks is 50 bucks. I mean, now you have a $30,000 account, then you can use 300 shares or whatever you want. Um, you just got to be careful because this takes practice. I don't want you to see me do it and just jump in and try to do it and then get burned, right? Because look, I had my order here at 6:34 and I was like, nope, not ready yet. It takes practice to watch this and feel it. I felt that it was heavy, took my order off. 6:12, felt that it was heavy, took my order off. I didn't like it. 590, it still felt heavy as hell, but I had a little bit more confidence that this was the bounce. And like, I hope this thing takes off. I hope it reclaims VWAP 640, 650. I just know NBEV is trash, so it's hard for me to hold. Yeah, I'm going long. I know it's surprising, but I'm trying it. All right, I'm still in this. I'm still in MNGA. Uh, why I didn't get filled right here? Uh, no idea. It makes me somewhat upset that I didn't get filled right there. Literally went under my order and I didn't get filled, and I've had this open all morning. I don't know what's going on with my trades today, but they're not getting filled where I want them to. All right, so I'm still in NBEV waiting for the bounce. Let's just take a look at AGRX. It made it to 77, 78 before it bounced. This is the bounce. I'm no longer going long. Okay. Um, I hope you guys see that. right? This is the washout. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the washout. Big drop. Kind of like this. Washout, bounce. If you nail it at 87 cents, you nail it and you make 10 cents a share on an 80-cent stock is a lot. That's a big percent win, right? Nail this from 78 cents to 85, pretty big win. Okay? All right. So this play is over for me. This stock is actually worth 65 cents, I'm pretty sure. I'd have to do more research, but maybe we'll come back to it later if it continues to fall. There's still a lot of risk in this, but the news that they had today was actually legitimate. I don't know if it's worth 80 cents a share. Maybe you're kind of gambling on that stock if you're in it. All right. I'm still waiting to get filled on, and you know what? On MNGA, I'm gonna change my position. I'm only gonna cover half. I was gonna cover all of it, but this thing's dead. This thing's going way down. It's going to 37 cents. At least 40 cents. Another, I know it sounds stupid, another penny per share, but that's a decent amount of money. All right. All right, let's take another look at NBEV. So this thing's still gonna bounce. It'll be tough to get through that 34 area. So I haven't been watching NBEV as close as I should have or should be. So I wanted to see it test that 625 area. Now my position. So if this washes out a bit but holds, 610, this is like a higher low, right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. That's not really a good one. You know what? I can't show you anything today. I'll show you a little bit later if I'm still streaming. But I'll show you guys in the group in the Discord. I'm gonna start posting some stuff on technical analysis for you guys to learn. So I'll be posting all kinds of charts, examples of some things, so you guys can start seeing this stuff better. It takes a lot of time. It takes time to learn this, but look, like you learn it, you nail, let's be honest, like I made some money on YGY. I would have made a lot, down $1 per share. But this was high risk. This was not the best stock. But look, I shorted at $8.50. Made 20 cents on those shares. I made, I don't know, probably close to 40 cents, 35 cents on these shares. Okay, pretty decent win. Let me watch NBEV, see if it can hold this 6 area. All right. Then MNGA, top ticked it really. I mean, pretty close. Might not seem like a lot, but you're talking 7 cents so far, 6 cents on a stock trading so cheap. It, it adds up, especially when shares are that cheap. And then where is NBEV? Nailed it. I'm still up. Even if I get out at 6, I'm up 10 cents a share. I mean, that's not a game changer by any means, but it's still a little win. And all those little wins add up if you keep nailing them and nailing them and nailing them. All right, so take that NBEV thing off, right? I want NBEV higher. If this, dude, if this goes to 650, well, I just banked. So, and it, look, it's a shitty stock, and I know it's going down. But look at IGC, guys. And I'm not saying like hold these things. I'm not holding this overnight. But look, right? For 1 minute, watch this. It's ironic that it hit my 483 line and bounced. Let's just say if I just nailed if I just nailed let's zoom in further on this screen. I hope you guys can see. If you can see, make sure you let me know in the chat. I just asked. Okay. This yesterday. This is yesterday IGC, right? 10:30, 10:40. IGC bottomed at 10:40. If you bottom ticket at $5.20, you sell it for 20 cent, 20 almost a 25-cent profit, right? Okay, great. You sell here, great, you did it. You made 10 cents a share. Chances that you bottom ticked it and top ticked it, not that good, right? But if you did buy it and you did sell it for a 10-cent profit, you made some money. If you buy this one and you bottom ticket, you might sell it for a 10-cent profit, 20-cent profit. But if this thing starts to grind, it's after 10:30. I have a rule. After 10:30, I reduce my share size and I start watching for this move. This is called a grinder, dude. Will grind all day. It will squeeze shorts that chase this stock and it will just destroy you. And it happens a decent amount. Not saying that this is going to happen, but if you bottom tick this, whoever bottom ticked it and they held it, they made a lot of money. Me, I would have sold, let's be honest. I would have sold here at 5, here at thingy, and I would have sold the rest at 578. And I hope it happens on NBEV so I could show you guys. Now this thing might crash and go under 590. Like that wouldn't surprise me at all. But right now, I have a nice cushion, so I don't need to be stressed out. I'm definitely going to make money. I already locked in some profits. So not only I already locked in profits. So if this thing goes down to 580, I'm still okay. I still didn't lose any money yet. Okay. If this goes to 580, I take that back. 580. When did I sell my shares? 6. All right, so not 580. If this goes down below my buying point, if it goes to 585, now I'll start going red. So it's like I'm not in the clear yet, but if I locked in some right now, I'm in the clear for sure, because now I have even bigger cushion and I have even less risk. And I still have yet to get filled any of this stock. I don't know what's going on. LEVB. Eh. Hold on. Let's watch NBEV. I'm gonna. All right. So let's see if NBEV can really start to bounce here and get above. This is where I was originally gonna take some off at 628. I would really like to see this above 628 for me to kind of hold it. I think we'll get 634 to be honest. I think. All right. MNGA is starting to bounce. All right. So I'm looking for MNGA to get slammed. I'm still in NBEV. NBEV looks to look weak or heavy, I will get out in a heartbeat because I know this company's trash. I know this stock is going back to $3 for sure. I just know that this little play, this setup that I got in, it works. And I wouldn't say it's impossible for NBEV to get back to 650 today. All right, this is a big area for NBEV. Ideally I don't want to see it go under this 605 area. I really don't want to see it go under 612. Alright, no bueno. MNGA is bouncing. Normally I would try to short some here. I haven't been doing well when I do that, so I am not going to do it. And it'll probably be the time that I should do it. But on the next time if this drops down to 42-ish, I'm going to get out. Still going to let it ride. I have a nice cushion. Um, so let's see. Alright, so NBEV looks a little heavy. See if this area holds. This is the area, you see how big the bids are? So if they get eaten away really quick like that, and this plummets, I'll have to get out. Remember, I said I like that 612 area. I wanted to hold that. All right. Uh, MNGA is not working. It broke the volume weighted average price. It is not trading anymore the way I want it to trade, nor expected it to trade. So I am going to exit that position. I'm still winning. I mean, still make a little bit of money off of it. Obviously, and it's down here, I make a lot more, but I'm not going to fight this. This is a awful company. I hope they send it to $1. I honestly hope that. So, saying that, I'm gonna get out and hope that they push it higher. If they don't, no worries. If they do, I will be on it. Okay? And let's see if I can get out around 45 cents. Alright, so I'm out of MNGA. I don't really care what it does anymore. Probably goes down. It's an awful company, but it wasn't working the way I wanted it to work. And I'm gonna focus on NBEV. Of course, MNGA is now at 43 cents a share. So I just gave back an unnecessary amount of money. Alright, NBEV, kind of looking weak. Give it a couple more seconds, see if it pops up. If not, I'm going to take that second third off. Uh, NBEV. I will try to be patient with this. More patient than normal. Why? It's on SSR and it's taken a beating today, down 20%, but this thing can go down 35%. Easy. So I'm not giving it so much time, but since I already have some locked in, I made a little bit of money on YGY. I made a little bit of money on MGA, MNGA. I'm up a little bit, pretty decently on IGC. I'm up pretty good on CGC. So I want to look at this more of as a hedge for marijuana. If marijuana pops, NBEV should pop. Marijuana drops more, NBEV will drop. So I will make money on the other positions, and I will lose money on this one. Just this does look heavy. But I already locked in some profits. Already up a good amount. I'm basically done trading for the day after this trade. I'm out of everything except for IGC, and I want to be short NBEV, but I'm not going to short this thing until like 650. Ouch. Alright, so if this doesn't pop back up, I gotta get out of this. Looking for a bounce off 6. It looks very heavy. This looks like it could develop a channel. Alright, so I'm looking for this to bounce off 6. I'm about to turn my mic off, listen to some music while this bounces. I'll be in the Discord. Thank you guys for liking the video on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to be in the group chat, but I'm just going to be watching NBEV. If it goes under 6, I'm out. I'll leave my screen on. You'll see my trades. But yeah, so I'll be back. Once I'm out of NBEV, I'm going to stop the stream and likely be done trading for the day. Hopefully this thing rips and I'll sit here all day. If not, I already made a decent amount of money. I'm going to go do some other stuff. Um, so another reason why I leave is during the day, as we get further away from the market open, the trades get become more difficult, right? And I don't want to get stuck losing money on a trade that I don't even need to be in. So what I do is I leave my desk for a couple hours. I come back because I don't need to be in every trade, right? I already nailed 1, 2, 3. I already nailed 3 trades today. I'm not saying like if there was a prime setup, I'd sit here and make and do it, but there's not, so I don't want to get stuck. And if NBEV isn't going to bounce, I'm not going to sit here all day waiting for it to. All right? So I hope that makes sense. I'm not trying to give back any of the money I already made. Not every single day are you going to come and make absolute bank. There's going to be days like today where you just nail a couple stocks and you make a decent amount of money and you take it for what it is. And that's what I'm going to do. Because I'll much rather sit and enjoy my book than sit and get pissed off because I gave back all the money I just made. Now I'd rather NBEV to pop and me make more money, but it doesn't look like that's going to be in the works. Yes, this is getting boring. Come on, NBev, get a little bit of volume. So, I'm not really liking the way this looks, but I know people are shorting this up here because that's what I would have done. I just don't know if we're going to get enough volume to squeeze them. And that's all IGC was. It got enough volume to squeeze these guys. I think if we test 634, we could get that volume. If we're going to sit at 6 all day, we're not going to get the volume, and this is going to fade. Should have stuck with my plan and took off that third at 628. That was lack of discipline, because I could have easily bought back shares here. Played the channel. And it's just as I don't really know if we're gonna get the channel game to go here. I could see it happening. I could kind of feel it, but I don't want to be on the wrong side of a washout. This breaks 6, it breaks 590, it gets ugly quick. And like I said, it's hard to hold this when you know that NBev is going to 3. Alright, I guess I'm gonna let go of this NBev move. Looks like it's very heavy. Alright, so it could bounce. I was really hoping that it would, but like I said, I don't want to be on the wrong side of this if it washes out. Even though it's only a 10-cent move, it's still money. Uh, Nothing crazy today after that. I mean, I was up a I was up a lot on NBev, and I gave a lot back. Up here, I should have taken off a third. This still may bounce. It's 50-50. It could go either way. So 50-50, there's no edge. So I'm out. Overall, pretty decent day. I'm gonna come back later for sure. Hopefully by that time NBEV is at 736 and I will start shorting it. That's wishful thinking though. Uh, so as for the streams, I'm gonna end the streams now. I'm gonna go do some other stuff. I will be back. I don't know if I'll stream, but I'll definitely be inside the Discord this afternoon. I'll be on the Discord probably all day. I have it on my phone. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna take a step away from the market so I don't overtrade anything. I'm already up. Don't need to give anything back. Looks like NBEV will bounce, and I just gave away a bunch of money for free. But yeah, I can already tell I'm getting antsy because I'm watching NBEV. I know I was up a lot of money here, and now that it's gonna be bouncing, I'm saying, oh, I'm an idiot. I should have been buying, selling for 20 cents, playing the channel. So yeah, I need to step away before I actually start making trades that don't need to be made. So uh, to everyone that watched the streams, thank you. I'll be streaming again tomorrow. I would definitely. I'll be in the Discord. I'll be posting in the Discord tonight. I'll post my charts, the trades that I made, and any questions that you guys have, ask me in the Discord. I'm gonna start posting some of those charts, the technical analysis charts. I can't do it right now because I have FOMO. I have FOMO on NBEV and I need to step away because I'm gonna start trading this thing and giving back all the money that I already made. But I will be doing that tonight. I'm gonna I'll go get the things done that I was gonna do tonight done, and I'll be posting those charts tonight. Just a couple of them, so you guys can have a better idea of some things to look for. All right? All right, guys. Peace out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow for anyone that wants to come back and watch. But for now, I'm out of here. Thanks again. Peace.